When you are just starting with trading in crypto, Forex or any other asset, drawing up your own trading strategy can be intimidating and difficult. And that is why I will show and teach you a very basic but good trading strategy which you can use to get more inspiration for your own trading strategy, or which you can use as a template for your own strategy. So as I said, in this video I will show you a potential trading strategy template, which is very easy to understand. And basically, let's start right away. You need three things for it, and I'm gonna anchor them in text. First of all, you need trend lines. And second of all, you need support and resistance levels. So we'll call them key levels, support and resistance. And then the last thing you need for this strategy to be good is a trending pair or trending asset. So right now we are on TradingView, which is an excellent website for analyzing all Forex pairs, all cryptos, all stocks. I definitely recommend to check it out. It's also linkable with a lot of brokers and exchanges. So yeah, we are right now at a Forex pair. As I said earlier, you need trend lines, support and resistance, which I call key levels when they are together. And if you don't know what these are, I mean, I do have videos on them as well, but I would recommend going back to learning some kind of full course, such as babypips.com has a really good course on all basic principles you need to learn for trading, and Baby Pips is then especially for trading in Forex. So you need these two, and you need a trending pair and trending pair, so Forex pair or an asset, because then trend lines work the best, and also break retests of key levels work the best. So we are basically, what I will do is first tell you what it really means, and then I will show you how to use it. And what you can then do is either learn from the strategy, see what works, maybe gain some inspiration. Maybe after what you've seen here, you can think, oh well, I want to use this indicator, maybe together with trend lines or key levels, or oh wait, some strategies work better when a pair or asset is trending. Let me try this when the pair is only trending, and let me not use this strategy when it's consolidating. So basically you can gain inspiration, but you can also use this as a template. So basically use this analysis, but maybe add some technical indicators or add some new rules for yourself, basically to build your own strategy on top of this, or by using this. So what it basically means is that you will trade when the price hits a trend line together with a key level in a trending market. That is the most important part, because it's very easy to see when a trend line hits a key level that you should then buy, but it should be trending. So how to see when a pair is trending, I have videos on that, very short videos to teach you that, but most of the times you can also see it. So let's start. We are a little bit back in time, as you can see down here, 2019. I've already drawn some key levels, as you can see here, some trend lines, another key level, another key level, another key level, and a trend line. And basically I will keep drawing these when I see opportunities, and we will just go on into the future and maybe see if we can actually see some opportunities. So remember what I said, when the price hits a trend line that is together with a key level. So right here, if it hits this trend line somewhere here, we're gonna take the trade. So now it hits, I would take it now, right now. Some drawdown, let's see. So that's a very good trade. And that's what I'm telling you, this is a very simple strategy. It will not work 100% of the time, but it is good. When it is trending, it is very good. So this would have been a very good trade. Let's see if we can actually draw some trend lines. No, not that. No, not really. No, I don't see any real trend line opportunities to draw as of right now. So if it would have hit again right there, that would have been nice. Let me actually check. Maybe we should draw this key level a little bit more broad, because you can see here that you know what we can also do. We can also do this and draw a new one, a smaller one, at the basis of this. So basically on the wicks, but also using the bodies. I mean, you could have taken that. In some instances, you might have drawn this key level a little bit higher. If it was a little bit higher, let's say that it also hits this and these bodies and this point, this wick, then you would have taken this trade as well, because it's the trend line together with the key level. So that would have been nice. So we can see that a trend line is coming up right here, but there's not a real key level right there. So let's see if we can actually find the key level. Right here, possibly, is a key level. But that probably doesn't matter too much, because it should have hit the trend line right there. So it don't think that will work really. I mean, I do see a small trend line opportunity right about here. So let's see. Can we draw some new key levels? Always keep reminding yourself of that. Not really at this point. So this is still a key level. I mean, so yeah, what you could have done is that you see this as a key level, so these tops, and then together with this trend line, that would have been a good trade. So let me illustrate that. I haven't done it because I don't think I would recognize this as a real key level in real life trading, but you could have done it, and then it hits the trend line together with this key level, and you can actually see that the price has gone down. Here it hits the key level with the trend line that I've just drawn. Quite a lot of drawdown. Let's actually see 216. So let's say about 40-50 pips drawdown. It's quite a lot. But it did go up a little bit too. Let's see what it does more so in the future. So another time, the trend line, now it's getting quite messy. So let's reduce this a little bit, because you can also see that it has been broken quite often. Let's reduce that a little bit so it becomes more clear. Here you can see key level together with trend line, although this trend line has been hit quite often. So you could see here it hit. If you would have taken a trade right there, which is at 2174, then you would have gained 50 pips in a day trade. And let's see if we can now delete some things and possibly get one more example for you to really show the strategy. So we're going to use this trend line, which seems to be very strong. But it didn't hit together with the key level, so we're not going to take it. Again, there's no trend line. Maybe, just maybe, we can draw a trend line right now. Maybe like that. Let's just try it. Let's make this let's make this a little bit broader. And let's see if this trend line is very steep. So the steeper the trend line, the more risky it gets. But still, I am very interested in it. Oh well, it doesn't hit, as you can see. Let's try to find. Oh wow, that would have been nice. I think actually, if you would have put a trend line right here. I mean, if you had the pending a little bit lower here, you would have gotten it, but I won't count it. But as you can see here, the trend line again together with a key level works very well. And that is basically this trading strategy. I try to illustrate it as well as possible. Also try to do it a little bit too quick maybe. But if you want to test it out yourself, go to tradingview.com and you can test it out on any crypto, stock or Forex pair for yourself. And hopefully you've gained some inspiration by this trading pair or learned something more about building your own strategy. And if you have any questions about the strategy, about building a strategy, about building a trading plan, then make sure to ask them in the description and I will make sure to answer as soon as possible. And for now, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.